How you doing, guys? It's 2 a.m. on Friday. We leave for Utah at 7 a.m. Saturday. Well, actually it's already Saturday. It's 2 a.m. on Saturday. We leave today. We got to get everything packed up, so got the fridge all packed up, front underpacks. The kitchen stuff, can't really see it right now, but it's all there. Roof rack stuff, propane, water, my recovery gear is up there. You have 2 little kids with us, so you got to do the diapers, beer, bread, or bags. The only thing that packed is the baby's stuff, so that's about it. Got our firewood in here. Time to go to sleep. Morning, everybody. It is Saturday the 27th. Almost 7 a.m. Let's leave right now. Truck is all packed, as you can see. It's in my driveway, ready to go. Just got to get the girls in there now. My little sleeping beauties here. Okay, Brookie, baby, come on. Brookie, we can go camping now, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Here we go. Huh? We're gonna go camping. You ready? Camping.
Go camping, yeah.
Yeah, that's a video.
If I did the camera, I did I put the boogie guys.
Yeah. Ready to have fun? Ready to go camping? Okay. Go back to sleep. Time to put the crybaby in.
We're gonna go camping.
Morning, Nyla baby.
Okay. No.
Morning, baby. Sleepy still. Oh, and there's the crybaby. There's the grandbaby. Lock up my house. Alright. See you in 9 days. Let's get out of here. All loaded up, ready to go to the meeting spot. My wife thinks this vlog is funny already, so that's good. Alright, off we go. And we're back home. 7:09. We're back home, and what is a trip unless you forget something? Awesome. So we have arrived at the meeting spot. 7:30. We said we'd meet between 7 and 7:30, and it is 7:29 right now, and no one's here. Shocker! Big time shocker. We're all Filipinos, so we all know what Filipino time is, right? That means everyone's always freaking late, all the time.
Wait na my baby Nala. I like it, Mama.
Coffee's here.
Yeah.
Special delivery.
Yay, thanks.
Wow. First one has arrived. What up? Dang. Huh? You can just park up there. While we wait, yeah. Last to arrive. Shocker, bro. Shocker.
I know we forgot.
Do you have yours?
Huh?
You have yours?
Let's see if
All right. So we're finally all here. It is 8:10, so only 40 minutes late.
There's a thing.
Not terrible. Time to hit the road. First stop is Barstow.
Driving.
It is 8:21, and we've gone about 1 mile because Rocky and Bianca here need to buy ice. There he is, bringing out the ice. Hopefully it's the final stop. Now we can actually get on the road and head over to Utah. It's about an 8-hour drive. That's where we're going. We've got a couple of stops on the way. We'll stop in Barstow for late breakfast. Are you hungry? Eat it. Eat it. Boo. Next stop here is Cracker Barrel. My first time here. Never been here before, so let's see how it is. Cracker Barrel was, holy crap, that was really good. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. I had the I had the chicken breast. Oh my god, juicy. Oh, I'll go back. I should say that. Almost at the campgrounds now, and saw it's a cool turnout, so we're gonna go stop and take some pictures here. After a 12-hour trip, we have arrived. Ruby's campground. Not very dispersed, but very convenient for kids. We have a lot of kids, so let's take a look at everybody's setups. Here's mine. Jay. Everything on this truck is brand new. Rocky. And the Lowly RAV4. Sister-in-laws. Hi, Brookie. Hey, baby. Hello.
I don't know what that.
We still talk a lot, just like all the time. We used to fight each other. You do too.
So we're using this hack we saw online. using dryer lint to see if we can start this fire. And the lint worked like a charm.
Is that a do-it-yourself blanket? Sorry.
Alright. We got one baby knocked out.
Yeah or no?
Mother-in-law's cooking up some grub for tonight. Look at these two best friends.
Look at you twins.
Best friends.
How to put, okay? So don't like a million stops.
Damn, overnight overlander, bro. What's up?
Wow, that's a table, bro. That's sick.
That's clean, dude.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
You should have recorded it fucking putting the legs down.
Mama cooks some broccoli chicken. It's quiet hour, so I have to be quiet. So good. Cook some rice. Of course, we had to end the day with some s'mores by the campfire.
Good. Good.
That's a wrap for today, guys.